सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 128, verse number 3. नित्यमुक्तस्य शुद्धस्य कूटस्थस्याविचालिनः अमृतस्याक्षरस्येवम् अशरीरस्य सर्वदा. In this Achakshushva Prakaranam, Shankaracharya presenting the nature of Atma, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, which is the individual's real nature. Every individual's real nature is Sakshi Chaitanyam. As Upanishad points out that Aprano Hyamana Shubhraha Apani Padam Achintya Rupam, all those ideas Acharya bringing in this portion. What it means, Atma doesn't have any sense organs really. Atma, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, doesn't have any sense organs. Vinana Indriya Rahitaha and Karma Indriya Rahitaha, Prana Rahitaha. Prana is not there for Atma. Sense organs are not there for Atma. Sense organs of action also not there. Sense organ of knowledge is also not there for Atma. Even Antahkaranam is also not there. Buddhi, Manas also not there for Atma. Then who is having all these? Sthula Shariram, body, in that Sukshma Shariram is there. That Sukshma Shariram has got all these Jnana Indriyani, Karma Indriyani, Prana, Manaha, Buddhi, all of them are there in Sukshma Shariram. So Sukshma Shariram, in that, how they are functioning in that Sukshma Shariram? They are all there. How they can function? They are all Jadam. They are made out of Panchabhutas, sense organs, prana, mind and intellect. All of them are manufactured by their Karanam is, cause is only 5 elements. We know each element cause for one Indriyam. In Tattva Bodha Vaisa, 5 elements are Jadam, inert. Their products, sense organs and Antakaranam Prana also must be Jadam. Gold is shining, ornaments are also shining. Clay is not shining, therefore pot is also not shining. Karana Gunaha Karye Anuvartante. What is the nature of pot? Clay, that is the nature of pot. Nature of the Karanam is the nature of Karyam. Gold is metal, chain is also metal. Cotton is a fiber, cloth is also a fiber. Karana Gunaha Karye Anuvartante. The attributes of cause inheres in product also. You know better because when you cook, that kadala mavu, that whatever kadala mavu taste, that alone comes in the Mysore pak also. Karana gunaha karye anuvartante. If you pour ghee in that, ghee smell comes. Karana gunaha Mysore pake vartante. Like that, 5 elements are Jadam. These Sukshma Sariram, 19 faculties or 17 faculties are also must be Jadam. They are functioning means they have borrowed the sentiency in that mind, that ahankara, chidabhasa is formed because of chit. Because of chit it is formed. Therefore they are all functioning. Sukshma Shariram, all faculties are functioning because of borrowed consciousness. There is no swata satta. Satta spurti is borrowed from chit drishti, nitya drishti, nitya drashta, nirvikara drashta, swarupavan. That I, the first drashta. What drashta? Illuminator number one. This mind borrows sentiency from me, the chit, and lends that sentiency to all sense organs, mind, everything, and makes them to function. Eyes are blinking. How they are blinking? They are blinking because of Chetana Tattvam. How they became sentient? Because of mind. How mind became sentient? Because of consciousness. So mind has got borrowed consciousness and gives sentiency to the prana, the sense organs, and the other mind also. The Chidabhasa, you have to remember that example. Sun, mirror, and illumining the dark room. Remember the example. Sun is there, mirror is here, that sunlight falling here, reflecting reflecting sun, Pratibhimbam, Surya Pratibhimbam. And the Surya Pratibhimbam illumines the dark room. Like that, Chit, Surya like Chit, illumining the mind mirror by forming a Pratibhimbam. What Pratibhimbam? Surya Pratibhimbam sollakudadu. Enna Pratibhimbam? Chitta Pratibhimbam. Chitta Pratibhimbam in the mind and illumines the mind. That mind illumines the world. The world is able to be objectified by us, by sense organs, because of the mind. Mind is active because of Chit. But none of us remember the Chit. Gratitude illa Chittukku. Taking the Chidabhasa real, because of which Chidabhasa, the Jada Manas, sense organs are active and we are giving reality to them. Why? Why this tragedy is happening? Because fortunately or unfortunately, Chit is formless, invisible. All these sense organs are also invisible. They are all working through Golakam. Adivere parango. Sense organs, Sukshma Sariram, visible or invisible? Sukshma Sariram, subtle body, is invisible because of subtlety. You are seeing only Golakams. What we are seeing only Golakam. Nose is one Golakam, ears are Golakam. All these are Golakams. In these Golakams, seeing power, hearing power, talking power, a power is invisible. That belongs to the Sukshma Sariram. That Sukshma Sariram is active because of mind. Mind is active because of Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is formed because of Chit. Because of whose blessing all these are functioning, you know. Chit. These are all blessed by the Chit. Chit is blessing. You want to claim blessed one or blessing one? I want to be a blessing one or to be blessed by? You want to be always giver or you want to be a taker, receiver? Tell me. You want to be a giver position or a receiving position? Tell me. Giving position. If you are giving means you are top always. You are receiving means you are down. You are below. You want to be below or top? Top. Parango. So similarly, Chit is the giver, lender. Mind is the borrower. Borrower of what? Chidabhasa. From where? From the Chit. Now, ipdella kaamikare. Don't think as Chit, giving, lending. These are all just happening in the all-pervading consciousness Chit. Clear? So, claim you are the lender. I am the lender of consciousness to the mind who is the receiver. Therefore, Acharya says, all of you claim what? Me chakshuhu nasti, me shrotra indriyam nasti. Since I don't have eyes, eyes are always seeing. They are permanently perceiving the objects? No, they are temporary perceivers. They are temporary perceivers. Hearing also, permanently are you hearing? No. Permanently you want to try to hear also, after some time they won't function. Therefore, Shrutihi, they are all impermanent. Anitya, Shrutihi, Anitya, Drishtihi, all these are all Anityam. Now Acharya says, if you claim that you are Nitya Drashta, Atma Chaitanyam, illuminator number one, you are not having Anityam, impermanent hearing ears, impermanent seeing eyes, you don't have, impermanent thinking mind, you don't have. Therefore you can say what? I don't have mind, therefore I don't think. I don't have eyes, therefore I don't see. When I say I don't, what is that I? Higher I or lower I? Higher I. At least children, higher I. You are clear, it is higher I only. Now you have to claim that higher I am. You have to claim. Yes, Swamini, we are claiming, we are trying to claim. I know that. You are trying to claim slowly. You try, you can claim. One day it is convinced fact. No doubt in that. Look into the shloka. In the first shloka, Jnana Indriyams and Karma Indriyam both are not there to me, means I am not a temporary hearer, I am not a temporary seer, I am not a temporary thinker like mind, like Sukshma Shariram. I am really speaking, blessing all the time. Sollalama illaya? I, the Chit, am blessing all the time the mind. Through the mind I am blessing the sense organs. Through the sense organs I am helping this whole subtle body mind to see the world. So I am Nitya Drashta, ever the Drashta, never the Drishyam. But mind, Drishk Drishyam. World, ever the Drishyam. Therefore I am Nitya Muktaha. I am ever free. Atma, I am Nitya Drishtiman Muktaha. Shuddhaha, pure. I have no dosha, jara, murtyu, vyadhi, doshas are not there. Therefore I am pure. Body is not pure. Totally you cannot make it pure. However much you apply perfume, you cannot make it pure. Mind also cannot make it pure. But I am originally ever pure. I can never become ashuddha. I, the Atma, can never become ashuddha, impure. Therefore, Nitya Shuddha, Sada Shuddha, Sarvada Shuddha, Kutastha, Nirvikaraha, I am. Kutastha means Nirvikaraha. All these are not there for body-mind complex. Clear? I am Kutastha and Avichalinaha. I am not moving. Body is moving. Mind is moving. Body is moving. Mind is moving. But instead of saying my body is moving, my mind is moving, what do we say? I am moving. The movement of the body, the movement of the mind, the disturbances in the mind, illness of the body, I am superimposing upon me the Chit, I. Because I is a mixture, I is mixture only. I is mixture. In that mixture, I am not knowing this Kutastha Chaitanyam is ever free from all the body, mind, ahankara, I. This is Vyavaharika Satyam. I am Paramarthika Satyam. It cannot touch me. The awareness. Awareness cannot go and pinched by the body or touched by the body. Awareness, pure awareness. Pure awareness. Easiness can touched by the mic. Easiness. You can touch the Akasha. You can catch the Akasha. The space in the hall. Can you catch? Can you taint it? Can you make it impure? The space? Why? When anything is formless, you cannot touch it. Niravayavatvat, Nirupatvat, Arupatvat. You cannot touch it, you cannot afflict it, you cannot do anything to the space. You are making use of the space. Can you do anything to the space? Can you see the space? I am seeing Swamini's space. Hey, when it is formless, how can you see? Now the space is here in the hall. Are you seeing or not? Just I am asking you jocularly. Just joke for some time. Okay, let us enjoy. You are sitting in the hall. Sitting in the hall space. Can you touch the space? No. Can you see the space? No. Is there space or not? Hey, when you cannot see, when you cannot touch, how can you say it is there? Because I am here, if space is not there, I cannot be here. Even though it is invisible, even though it is formless, even I cannot see it, but I accept it. Yes or no? You are sitting in the hall space or absent of space. When space is not there, you cannot sit. Therefore, what? Space is formless. You cannot see. Space is formless, partless, you cannot touch. Which has got parts, which has got form, only you can touch. You can cause some affliction. Otherwise you cannot cause any affliction. Space ke afflict panna mudiyadu. What to talk of Atma, which is the cause over the space? Etasmad Atmanaha Sambhutaha Akashaha. ஆகாசமே பார்க்க முடியாது, ஆகாசமே டச் பண்ண முடியாது, ஆகாசமே எஃப்ளிக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. அதனுடைய காரணம் தாத்தா. எஃப்ளிக்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? கேன் யூ எஃப்ளிக்ட் ஆத்மா? ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி தட் ஆத்மா ஹேப்பன்ஸ் டு பி மை செல்ஃப், மை நேச்சர். தேர்ஃபோர் திஸ் பாடி, மைண்ட், whatever gunas there are having, the old age, the disease, the death, our body, birth of the body cannot touch me. I, the Atma, am birthless, deathless, diseaseless, old ageless. I am blessing the body to exist in me, the Atma. Space is talking, imagine. Space is talking. I am blessing all these students sitting in the hall. I am allowing them, I am accommodating them. They cannot touch me. They cannot touch me. Suppose you apply nice perfume and come to the class. Okay. And space enjoys the perfume. Aha. What a perfume. It cannot take your perfume whatever you bring. Even any cool smell, foul smell is coming, suppose. The space will not be afflicted by that. Similarly, body attributes are not afflicting the Atma. Therefore, aham nitya shuddha, sarvada shuddha. Na punyam, na papam. Na saukhyam, even bodily saukhyam, pleasure, comfort, all not to me, the Atma. Na dukkham, even dukkham also. Sorrow also cannot touch me, the Atma. Sarvada shuddha, sarvada Kutasthaha sarvada achalinaha avichalinaha. I am movementless. Then amrutaha, I am immortal. Amrutaha syat अक्षरस्य अमृतस्य स्यात् इल्ल अक्षरस्य अमृतस्य imperishable evam asharirasya. I am not having 3 bodies. Who is saying? Atma. To say I am free from 3 bodies, I have to use 3 bodies. I am speechless nu solradhukku naan speech use pananum. Puriyaliya? I am speechless to say I have to use the speech. Vagindriyam. Vagindriyam use panninde enakku vaakku kadiyadunu solren. Everybody. Just as keeping the pot in my hand, I say there is no pot. There is no pot. Really speaking. Similarly, using the tongue, using the Vagindriyam, I say I don't have Vagindriyam. So this belongs to the lower I, Ahankara. Really speaking, I don't have, because I am just blessing the Vagindriyam. Because of that Vagindriyam, it is going and giving the lecture. I am blessing the Shrotra Indriyam. Because of that, that body is going to the Upadesa Sahasri class and listening the class. So you are listening the class blessed by the Sakshi Chaitanyam. You are seeing through your eyes blessed by Sakshi Chaitanyam. Not directly, indirectly. First mind is blessed by Sakshi Chaitanyam, then mind bless the Indriyams. Then you come and hear, listen, seeing and talking, laughing, blinking, moving, what not. So many actions we are doing. We have to remember this and do analysis. If we do not know this, we are blindly living in ignorance. How this body functioning? Sarvada aham ashariraha. Shariratrayam is not there for me. I am blessing the Shariratrayam mission. It is an yantram. Yantrarudhani mayaya. This yantram is functioning because of me, the consciousness. Remember the electricity again. You are not seeing electricity, but you are making use of electricity and appreciating the electricity. Similarly, each body, what is the electricity behind that? Atma Chaitanyam. I am the Atma Chaitanyam blessing all the bodies. Clear? Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka, number 4. Jighatsa va pipasa va shoka mohau jaramritim na vidyante shariratvat vyomavad vyapino mama. You can talk from 2 standpoints. In Panchadasi last class I said Ahankara Drishtya, Sakshi Drishtya. Ahankara, I am blessed by the Sakshi, therefore I claim I am Sakshi through Ahankara. Ahankara is dominating here. Dominating means Ahankara angle. Now Shankaracharya talking from Sakshi angle. I am Sakshi. I don't have hunger. I don't have thirst. Jighasa. Jighasa means swaditum ichha jighasa. Hunger. Swad. Suswad irukilyo. Suswad. Swaditum ichha. Desire to eat. Swaditum ichha jighasa. Patum ichha pipasa. Desire to drink. I don't have thirst and hunger. Now Pranamaya Kosha. They belong to Pranamaya Kosha. He is talking about Shadurmayaha. Shadurmayaha means there are 6 Urmayaha. Shat means 6. Urmayaha means pains like. Urmi means wave. Pain, wave like pains. Waves eppadi varum? அப்படி மேலே வந்து கீழே போய் மேலே வந்து கீழே போய் அப்படி இப்படி வரும் ஊர்மி. Like that, our pranamaya kosha has got hunger and thirst. Manomaya kosha has got raga, dvesha. Two urmayaha, manomaya kosha. Hunger and thirst, pranamaya kosha. Jara, vyadhi, jara or jara, maranam, body has got. So annamaya kosha, two urmis. Pranamaya kosha, two urmis. Manomaya kosha, two urmis. There is a shloka also. It says, Kshut pipasa prana dharmau. Kshut pipasa. Kshut means hunger. Pipasa means thirst. Prana dharmau. They belong to prana. These are the attributes of prana. Prana dharmau. Shoka mohau che. Shoka mohau tu manasau. This shoka and moha, sorrow or grief. Moha means delusion, confusion, oppression, depression, suppression, all belong to manasau. They are in the mind. Janma mrityu deha dharmau. Janma, birth, mrityu, death, deha dharmau. They are the attributes of the body, physical body. Deha means physical body. Shadurmi rahitaha shivaha. Shantam shivam advaitam chaturtham manyante. Sa atma sa vigneyaha. Turiya atma shivaha mangalam. Shadurmaya rahitaha. Aham shadurmaya rahitaha. I am free from 6 waves like urmis. Kshut pipasa rahitaha aham asmi. They belong to pranamaya kosha. பசிக்குங்கிறது இப்போவே பசிக்கும் போது தாகம் இருக்கும்போது என்ன சொல்லலாம், எனக்கு பசியே இல்லை. பசி இருக்கும்போது பசி இல்லைன்னு அகங்காரத்தில் பாடிக்குள்ள பிராணமய கோஷத்துக்குள்ள பசி இருக்கப்பா. ஐ ஆம் த அவேரர் ஆஃப் தட் பசி. ஐ ஆம் த இல்லுமினேட்டர் ஆஃப் தட் ஹங்கர். ஐ ஆம் த இல்லுமினேட்டர் ஆஃப் தட் தர்ஸ்ட். தாகமா இருக்கு, பசி இருக்கு. அந்த இருக்கங்கிற தன்மை யாருது தெரியுமா? இந்த இருக்கிற தன்மை. உனக்கு பசி இருக்கா கேட்குறாமா இல்லையா? கேட்குறாமா இல்லையா? தாகமா இருக்கா? அந்த இருக்கங்கிறது தான் ஆத்ம சைத்தன்யம். பசி எங்க இருக்கு? பிராணமய கோஷத்தில் இருக்கு. ஸோ பிராணமய கோஷ தர்மம் பசி தாகம். பசி என்ன? ஹங்கர். தாகம் என்ன? thirst. They are not there in me, the Atma, Chaitanyam. Jigasava, pipasava. Either hunger or thirst, both are not there. Not only that, shoka mohau mama na vidyante. Na vidyante, you have to supply. Supply in the second line it is there. Jigasa, pipasa na vidyante. Vidyate, if you take two, vidyate. Vidyate, vidyate, vidyante. But all together he is putting vidyante, na vidyante. They are not there. Shoka mohau also not there, which belongs to manomaya kosha. I am the experiencer of grief in the mind. Therefore, experiencer is different from the experienced grief. இப்படி சொல்லி சொல்லி பழகணும். ஒரே சோகமாக இருக்க சுவாமினி, என்ன சோகமாக இருக்குன்னு யாருக்கு தெரியறது? என்ன எனக்கு தான் தெரியறது. அப்போ சோகம் இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். The one who is experiencing the sorrow is free from sorrow. The possessor of sorrow is free from sorrow. The possessor of dog is not the dog. Possessor of the house is not house. Possessor of the house is not the house. Possessor of the sorrow is not having sorrow. They are all belong to the body mind complex. Shoka moha, delusion also. I am very much confused. You are not confused. Your mind is confused. But what we do, that confusion in the mind we superimpose upon ourselves and say happily, what? I am confused. I am sorrowful. Really speaking, you can never be sorrowful. Because it is not possible. They belong to only Anatma. They cannot touch you. Because of Adhyasa, you are superimposing. Theriyaradu Swamini, you told me many times, but what but? You are not able to manage when it comes. That time you have to open the Upadesa Sahasrari and read, gida padikkanam. That is why I keep one instant coffee madre or Nirvana Shatkam kailo vechikkanam. Kaila na manasalo vechikkanam. Mano buddhya hankara chitta ninaham. That is why in some classes I chant regularly that at least by that time they will get by heart. They will chant. You have to learn by heart. Pratasmaranam and Nirvana Shatkam. Next class onwards. Because in this class we don't have time to chant. Otherwise we can chant. Okay. Shokamohau nasti na vidyante. Jara mrutti. Jara means old age. Mrutti means death, which belongs to Annamaya Kosha. They are also not there. I can show my thumb. What? I don't have birth and death. I don't have hunger and thirst. Thirst irukke. Ananu? That is there in Pranamaya Kosha. So I disidentify myself from Pranamaya Kosha intellectually. I disidentify with the physical body which has got old age and death intellectually. I disidentify with hunger and thirst which has got to Pranamaya Kosha. And the mood koshangal appadi sakshi bhavama, objectification. Objectification is important. Develop more and more objectification. Just as you develop objectification when you become old towards, you develop objectification towards family member. Pona pohatam. Pa, venda. Then at the age of 80. என்ன வைராகியம் வந்தாச்சு. They are pushing you. நீங்க வராது, நீங்க பேசாது, நீங்க வராதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க, எதுக்காக போகணும்னு சொல்லி இப்போ வைராகியம் வந்தாச்சு. That's why objectification automatically comes at that age of 80, 85. ஏன்னா nobody wants you at that time. That objectification comes at least 2-3 decades before. It is worth 2-3 decades before means what? At the age of 50, 50 at least. 60 at least. Varanam vanda நல்லது, வரலன்னா படுமனமே படு. So na vidyante. Why I am not having? Asharirasya. I am bodiless. Ashariratvat. Since I am free from Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, they are not there. Ashariratvat. Like what? Vyomavat. Like space. Vyoma means space. Vyomavat. Vyapinaha mama. I am pervading like space. Space is pervading everywhere. Space is there, all pervading space. Like that I am also all pervading. Space like all pervading to me, they are not there. Hunger is not there, thirst is not there. They are only in Pranamaya Kosha. Grief is not there, delusion is not there, because they are in only Manomaya Kosha. Ippadella sollanum. They are in Manomaya Kosha. Similarly, old age, death is not there, birth is not there. That is belong to the body, physical body. I am the pure awarer, experiencer of these 6 urmis. Are you experiencing 6 urmis or not? Apply the law. Whatever I experience is belong to that entity, not to the experiencer. Experienced attributes belong to the experienced object, not to the experiencer. அதே தியானம் பண்ணணும், நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். You won't get bored if you do that. Okay, mama vyomavad vyapinaha. Vyapinaha means I am all pervading. All pervading. Are you all pervading? As Atma Chaitanyam, I am all pervading. You are getting the point? Vyapi means what? All pervading. How nice. See, This is whole thing can use for nididhyasanam. These shlokas especially for nididhyasanam. Sloka number 5. Asparshatvanna me sprishtihi na jimhat rasagnatam nitya vijnana rupasya jnana jnanena me sada. The Acharya has not given all sense organs in the first verse. Actually, this verse should come after the first month sloka, because he has pointed out there Jnana Indriyani. So this month sloka should come there, but Acharya is bringing here again sense organs only. Asparshatvad name sprishtihi. Since I don't have tvagindriyam, sparsha indriyam, tvagindriya rahitatvat, sense organ of touch. Sense organ of touch, sparsha indriyaha rahitaha asparshatvat. Asparshatvat, tvagindriya rahitatvat. Sense organ of touch absence is there. It is not there for me. Therefore, me sprishtihi na. I cannot touch anything. I am touch me not. I cannot touch anything. Sprishtihi means sparshana is not there. Can you touch this space? I touch you. I touch you. What you are touching? It is formless. You cannot touch it. It doesn't have any indriyam, sparsha indriyam to feel the touch. Similarly, I, the Atma, pure awareness, consciousness, am sparsha indriya rahitaha. Therefore, sprishtihi nasti. Sprishtihi means a touching feeling is not there in me. If I touch, pinch my body, the sparsha indriyam is there. This is called sparsha indriyam. Sprishti. Swami, I am having. You are not having. If you are having, it is ahankara is having. Lower I is having sparsha indriyam and sparshana, sprishti. But higher I am. இப்படி பிரிச்சு பண்ணிண்டே சொல்லலாம். ரெண்டு ஐ இருக்கு. ஒரு ஐ வந்து வேஷம். ஓகே, ஒரிஜினல் ஐ is putting the வேஷம் every day. Now what வேஷம் you are putting here? Shishya வேஷம். I am also putting Guru Vesham. Guru Vesham. After Purnamadaha, I am not a Guru. You are no more a Sishya afterwards. Yes or no? Therefore, temporary Vesham. When you go home, Appa Vesham, Amma Vesham, Tata Vesham, Ella Vesham da. Originally, I am Veshamless. Puriyarada. Thriyaliye Swamini. Is the Vesham. Now you are writer, listener, seer, hearer. Originally you are awareness. What a beautiful knowledge. Okay, look into them. Sloka. Asparshatvat name sprishtihi. Then what? Rasagnata ajivhatvat. I don't have ajivhatvat. I don't have tongue. Rasanendriyam. Previously he said vagindriyam. Vagindriyam comes under karma indriyam. Now sparsha indriyam and this rasanendriyam both comes under gnana indriyams. I said he has not given, you have to supply and sonna. Avar inga kuduthirukar. So rasanendriyam, jimha means rasanendriyam. Ajimhatvat, since I don't have rasanendriyam, rasagnata na asti. There is no question of taste for me. Taste theriyale anna. Nitya vijnana rupasya jnana name sada. Sada nasti. All the time nitya vijnana swarupam I am. I am jnana swarupam. Therefore in me jnanam ajnanam doesn't exist. Jnanam means vastu jnanam, temporary jnanam and temporary ajnanam. This Jnanam and Ajnanam, as he said, Vidya Vidye in that second sloka, now he is using Jnana Ajnanam. Vidya Vidyana Jnanam Ajnananda. Here Jnana Ajnani. Jnanam Vidya Avidya Vidya Vidye or Jnana Ajnani. Name Sada. In me, the Atma, there is no question of Vishaya Jnanam. There is temporary Jnanam. Vishaya Jnanam means temporary Jnanam. Like our computer Jnanam, physics Jnanam. Ella marandi poidradilliyo. And the marandi podradha Jnanam ella vande enna Jnanam? Anitya Jnanam. In me, Anitya Jnanam is not there. Ajnanam also is not there. Then who am I? I am the illuminator of Vishaya Jnanam and I am the illuminator of Ajnanam also. You say, I don't know. You say something. I don't know. What is Gagubugai? Gagubugai, I don't know. What is Gagubugai? What is Gagubugai? Gagubugai, we don't know. Ignorance irka India Gagubugai. Don't go and search in dictionary. Chumma sonna is a word. Gagubugai, we don't know. I know that I don't know Gagubugai. Suppose Chinese language. Chinese language. You know that you don't know Chinese language. Yes or no? You know that you don't know Chinese language. Ajnanam of Chinese language is there. Who is aware of that? Who is knowing that? Atma Chaitanya. Therefore, Ajnanam irukkan illum pandrathu nanda. Jnanam irukka, Vishaya Jnanam irukka. I know Tamil, I know Telugu, I know English, I know Sanskrit. That Jnanam also, I am illuminator. Both are not there in me originally. The Atma. I am the illuminator of Vishaya Jnanam. Now the clip Jnanam. Before I was showing clip, you have clip Ajnanam. Irukka illaya? Both are in the intellect, in the mind, not in Atma. And the manasukulla irukkara mind lo, I have knowledge of this, I have ignorance of so and so. I have knowledge of so and so, I have ignorance of so and so, illumined by me the Atma Chaitanyam. Therefore, I am ever Nitya Jnana Swarupatvat Name Jnana Ajnane. Me Jnana Ajnane Nasti. Nitya Vijnana Swarupasya. I am Jnana Swarupam. You know that you are here? You know that you are here? You don't say, I don't know. Yes or no? When you are in the class now, I am asking you, do you know that you are in this Upadesha Sahasri class or not? You know? 1 hour you know that? 15 minutes only I know, Swamini. Half an hour only I know. Like that, anything happening here? Any one of you? Full 1 hour. That is called Nitya Jnana. But half of the class I understood. Half of the class I couldn't follow. That can happen. That Jnanam of Upadesha Sahasri and Ajnanam of Upadesha Sahasri. And the word Puriyadkan in the word Puriyale. In the word Puriyadkan and the word Puriyale. Mosquito is biting, I don't know. And the Ajnana irkalam. But I am here, then the knowledge is Nitya Jnanam. So Nitya Jnanasya Upadesha Jnana Ajnanam are not there in me really. They are in mind. They are in the mind. Mind or intellect can have Jnanam and Ajnanam of any subject or anything. I am the illuminator of that Jnana Ajnanam. Really Jnana Ajnanam not there in me. I am ever Jnana Swarupaha. In the class itself, now here itself you are Nitya Jnana Swarupaha or not. 1 hour Jnana Swarupaha or not. Swamini, after 1 hour, after 1 hour also, you will go and wear your chappal only, you know. You are Jnana Swarupaha. After going home, Jnana Swarupaha. and illumining all the jnanam and ajnanam. Therefore, jnana ajnane sada na me asti. They are not there in me. That's why don't worry. If you don't know anything also, you are nitya jnana swarupam. Anyhow. எவ்வளோ நிம்மதி பாருங்க. அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் தெரியல, இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் தெரியல, அது படிக்கல, இது படிக்கல, ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. அதெல்லாம் மனசுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம், அதெல்லாம் இன்டலெக்டில் தான் ப்ராப்ளம். அதனால நித்திய ஞானவான். தேர்ஃபோர் சாஸ்திரா நெவர் கேர் ஃபார் யுவர் worldly knowledge or shastra knowledge or any knowledge for that matter. Who wants that vishaya jnanam? If you know you are nitya jnana swarupam, enough. If you are ignorant of Panini Sutras, doesn't matter. If you are ignorant of Brahma Sutra, doesn't matter. If you are ignorant of 10 Upanishads, doesn't matter. If you are ignorant of Bhagavad Gita, full 750 slokas, doesn't matter. But you know you are nitya jnana swarupavan. Over. Job is over. I don't bother about other ignorances. What are all there in the body-mind complex. That's why Jnani is Nitya Truptaha. As Ahankara, you can never be Truptaha. புரியுறது? எவ்வளோ நிம்மதியாக இருக்கு பாருங்க. எனக்கு ரொம்ப நிம்மதியாக இருக்கு. I feel so happy. I don't have this, I don't have that, no problem. Is it not? Therefore, the Trupti comes only when you recognize that Purna Atma Swarupam Aham Asmi. Apurnatvam nasti main. There is no Apurnata at all. Therefore, what a completion, that is called fulfillment. That is called fulfillment. I am the illuminator of all ignorances. I am the illuminator of all knowledge also. In me, the illuminator of everything. In me, there is no ignorance. There is no any knowledge. I am knowledge nature. What am I lacking? Tell me now. What am I lacking? What you are lacking? We are not lacking anything. You are the richest person in the world. Atma, that is called Dravina Gumsavarchasam Sumedha Amrutokshitaha Iti Strishankor Vedanuvachanam. Taittiriya Upanishad we are seeing on Sunday mornings. Dravina Gumsavarchasam Sumedha Amrutokshitaha. What is wealth, this wealth? Okay. Therefore, Nitya Vijnana Rupasya Jnana Jnane Name Sada Sada Na Me Asti. Next shloka. Beautiful shlokas. These are all our glories. Enna beautiful shloka. Enna beauty. This is my beauty. Everyone's beauty this is. Our own nature. Our own nature. Next. Shloka number 6. Yatusyan manasi vrittihi chakshushkaru paranjana nityamevatmano drishyam Nityaya drishyate hi sam. Another technical verse, very, very interesting observation. Mind is ever illumined by me, the Atma, the illuminator. Number 1. Mind is the illuminator of the world temporarily. But I, the Atma, am ever the illuminator of the mind. Yatu manasi vrittihi syat. Whenever there is a vritti, thought, manasi, in the mind, manasi vritti. The thought arises in the mind. Whatever thought arises in the mind, that is because of Nityaya Atma Rupa Nityaya Drishtya drishyate, sa vrittihi. That vritti is illumined by me, the nitya means eternal, by eternal, nityaya, drishtya. Who is the perceiver number one? Illuminator number one. Atma rupataya nityaya drishtya. In the last class, in the last chapter, I said, I am ever the drashta, nitya drashta, swarupa drashta, swarupavan, nirvikara drashta. Therefore, nityaya drishtya atma rupaya nityam eva drishyate. Nityam eva drishyate. Nityam eva drishyate means prakashate ityartha. Prakashyate, illumined by me all the time. What? The vritti, the thought is illumined by me all the time. Now, if I show this clip to you, clip thought comes. You are the knower of that thought. Which thought? Klippakara vritti. Rupa ranjana vrittihi. Eyes, chakshushka means chakshus dvara. You have seen this clip. Chakshushka means through eyes you have seen this clip. This clip is a rupam, it has got. Rupa ranjana. So, clip akara vritti. Once I show the ghata, ghata akara vritti. So, eyes are seeing the pot. Through what? The mind, in that the beam of light pervades the pot through the eyes. Once it pervades, immediately, what is this? I ask. Immediately, what do you say? Pot. That means what? Pot thought has come, and pot vritti, ghata vritti, ghatakara vritti. Immediately, ghatakara vritti, how you have got? Through the chakshushka, rupa ranjana. Through the eyes you have got that pot form and sent to the mind, and vritti is formed. Immediately it pervades ghatakara vritti. Where this vritti has taken place? In the mind. How it has taken place? Mind directly saw the pot or eyes have seen the pot? Mind through the eyes, chidabhasa sahita manaha pervades the pot. Immediately pot thought comes. Rasagulla, if I see, Rasagulla thought, Rasagulla akara vritti. Rose flower, if I see, rose flower akara, pushpa akara vritti. Mic akara vritti. Whatever akara I see, that akara vritti comes here. Shabda akara vritti. Taste, rasa akara vritti. Alla rupa ranjana means andanda form nuடைய ஒரு இந்திரியம் மூலமா it vritti happens. Vada taste different, dosa different, appam different. Swamini adella gnapakam paduthaadunga. Gnapakam varudha illaya? Andanda, suppose if I say rasagulla, immediately rasagulla akara comes in your mind or not? Not gulab jam. If I say gulab jam, immediately gulab jam thought comes. Hey, I have shown you gulab jam. I have not shown you gulab jam, but you get gulab jam thought. How? That shabda. Through that shabda, the mind gets gulab jam vritti. Who is the knower of all these vrittis? That Sakshi Chaitanyam, I am the illuminator. Ya vrittihi manasi syad chakshushka ruparanjana nityaya drishtya atmarupaya nityameva drishyate. Nityameva, all the time. Nityameva, nitya atma. I am the witnesser of all thoughts. Go and meditate upon this. Who knows? Now time is up. That ghata akara, time akara vritti. Time akara vritti, jnanam. I am that vritti also, I am the illuminator. Therefore, next what comes also, Purnamadaha will come. Vritti. Ellame vritti da. Ellame vritti. Nityam, I am the illuminator of that vritti. In the Manasi vritti. Vritti comes in the mind. What is science? In the science side, what is knowledge? Real knowledge. Okay? Therefore what? Okay, okay, anartham. Next class you come anartham. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadai Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.